Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a small avatar. First, you'll need to select an image that represents you well. Consider the platform's requirements, as some have specific dimensions or file size limits. We'll cover how to resize your chosen image effectively, ensuring it looks great without being too large. This process is straightforward and will help your profile stand out. When choosing your image, pick one that's visually appealing and easily recognizable, even at a small scale. Think about the overall composition and ensure your main subject is centered. Many platforms recommend square dimensions, like 50 by 50 or 100 by 100 pixels. Keeping the file size small, ideally under 50 kilobytes, helps your avatar load quickly across various devices and internet speeds. To resize your image, you can use free online tools or photo editing software. These tools allow you to adjust dimensions and compress the file. Start by cropping your image to a square, focusing on the key elements. Then, reduce the resolution to match the desired avatar size. Saving it as a JPEG or PNG file type helps maintain good quality while keeping the file size manageable for upload. Once your small avatar is perfectly sized, it's time to upload it. Go to your profile settings on the platform you're using. Look for an option like Change Avatar or Upload Profile Picture. Click to select your newly resized image from your computer. After uploading, make sure to save your changes. Your new, optimized small avatar should now be visible, enhancing your online presence.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.